What is the difference between cowhide and leather? Difference between cowhide, leather and skin. Since prehistoric times, animal hide were one of man commonly utilized material. So why are we using three different words today to indicate the same material? What's the difference between for cowhide and skin? Genesis of the definition. The term leather has a root that is tightly dependent on the type of tanning process used, whereas the word skin means the surface skin of an animal in a more general way. When it comes leather handle with the form of vegetable or chrome tanning, the word leather is commonly used. On the other hand, the word skin typically means a substance animal origin that has been used to leather handle. What is the leather? Many people falsely think that is the only differentiation, but in fact, if you want to go more precise, people in the industry use the word leather to mean the form of leather that has been just tanned with vegetable or chrome tanning and or not already completed, that is ready to be used to produce leather goods. The word just because the word leather content is also used when it is ready to be used to produce leather product. What is the skin? Both the fabrics used to manufacture leather item are known as skin. In general, this term refers to as any patent leather and patent leather, weight blue, weight white, cross or rawhide of animal origin, bovine, caprine, sweet, equine, etc. just must be submitted or at the discovered at an intermediate stage or at the final stage of manufacturing, or which is referred to tanning, but involves a variety of methods. What is the cowhide? A leather of bovine origin cowhide, retaining its original whole shape, normally with the chrome tanning operation, suitable for upholstering of furniture and car interiors. So, is intended for cowhide in the tannery industry. This is the most popular and generally one of the cheapest kinds of leather. The common word hide is used when talking about whole skin, not of bovine origin, to donate the skin of each animal in its entire shape. Inference on the distinction between leather skin and cowhide. So, the next time anyone speaks to you about the distinction between leather skin and cowhide, you should respond by saying that the general category that involves a dermis of animal is implied at any point with the word skin. The cowhide definition means, again, the cowhide definition means a leather of bovine origin which is a very large scale or is typically used furniture purpose. So consequently a skin that has reached one or more stage of development is marketed by the term leather and is able to be used to market a purse, belt, wallet, ladies leather bag, etc. So comment on the bottom if you have any question and thoughts. Subscribe here, share this content with other entrepreneurs you do business with. Take care, bye bye.